Lila, you know how we went trick-or-treating with Bug Bug last night? And you got all that candy?
Danny.
Guess what?
Huh?
Mommy ate all your candy.
Danny too.
No, baby, your candy's all gone. Look.
Oh.
You only go trick-or-treating once, baby. On Halloween. Maybe next Halloween you can get some more candy.
Okay.
Are you sad? Where did all your candy go? Lila, come here.
Danny left.
Where did it go?
Danny left.
Is it all gone?
Okay.
Where did it go?
Daddy's tummy.
In Daddy's tummy?
Uh-huh.
Did Daddy eat all of your candy?
Daddy is Danny.
Oh, no. Is it okay that Daddy ate all your candy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
My Danny.
You can have some more candy next Halloween.
Halloween.
Yeah? Is it okay that Daddy ate your candy?
Yeah.